Right. So Aurora Tower is currently closed. So we're having to treat this like a CTAF uncontrolled field. So that's pretty cool. First time for that happening. Okay. Yeah. All good.
Aurora traffic, Skylane 608 is 5 miles to the north, via left downwind for runway 9, Aurora.
Aurora traffic, Archer 1242 Hotel is about 10 miles to the north. We're going to be inbound for a left downwind runway 09, Aurora. Aurora traffic, Archer 42 Hotel is 5 miles to the north, inbound for a left downwind runway 09er, Aurora. Alright, supposedly Aurora here was showing their last METAR that was published. I think they were saying it was like 34 gusting 74, something crazy. When the storm rolled over, so that's why the tower's
well,
closed.
very slight tailwind.
Yeah, roger that, shouldn't be an issue. Yeah. DuPage is showing weather calm and they're just a few miles down to the east. So, should be pretty light regardless. Alright. And we are at pattern altitude. Pre-landing, fuel pump on, mixture full rich. We got our lights on. We'll go get in the downwind here. Aurora traffic, Archer 42 Hotel is left downwind runway 09er, Aurora. I think we're still on a little bit of a far downwind here, but yeah, we're a little far from the airport, but that's okay. Not like that's really gonna hurt. Almost like there's a runway right there that I could have, yeah, that's what's funny. Alright, go ahead, flaps 1 in the white arc, get the power out, get the nose down. Getting pushed out a little bit, so let's arc or crab a little to the left here, get that descent going. Aurora traffic, Archer 42 Hotel is turning left base, runway 09er, full stop, Aurora. I think I'm a little high, but it's not that bad. I also could probably get rid of some power here. Flaps 2, and we're going to land flaps 2. Aurora traffic, Archer 42 Hotels, turning final, 09er, full stop, Aurora. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Not that I can tell because the Vassies are out of service, of course. Alright, flaps 2's good. Oil pressure's yelling at me. There. A little on the low side, but we should be good. Just go power out here. And 1,000 footers. Actually no, I think we're gonna, we'll see. Oh yeah, no, we're gonna float way over those. Hey, see that tailwind? Floated for so long. That was a pretty good landing though, I'll take it. Alright, we'll get off here. Oh, that's runway 1836, which is technically closed. We're not getting off on that, we're getting off on Charlie. Which is right there. Aurora Tower traffic, Archer 42 Hotel, clear all runways to JAR via Charlie Alpha, Aurora. Whew. Okay, please open the door, it's hot. Kenosha Tower, Archer 1242 Hotel is about 10 miles to the southwest. We'd like to transition the airspace for the RNAV runway 04 into Racine at 3,000.
Archer 42 Hotel, Kenosha Roger, transition to class Delta is approved at or above 3,000 feet. Current altimeter 29089er.
29089er and at or above 3,000 for 42 Hotel, thanks. Racing traffic, Archer 1242 Hotel is about 8 miles to the southwest. We're inbound straight in for runway 04, Racine. Racing traffic, Archer 42 Hotel is a 3-mile final for runway 04, full stop, Racine. Alright, I'm gonna go visual at 1,000. Just right around LPV minimums.
There's been no traffic this whole time.
Awesome. I do like that. Alright, flaps 2.
There's a fuel layer about 100 feet above us, so like, I don't know if that's relevant in case you go around, but
No, it's good to know
just
though.
so you know, fuel layer at like 1600.
Gotcha. Alright, lights, extra rich flaps. About 80. We'll call that minimums. Fog was coming off. Wow, look at that. Crazy traffic. 42 Hotel short final, full stop 04 Racine. Alright. Racing traffic, Archer 42 Hotels, back taxi runway 22 to Bravo, Racine.
Racine traffic side 5076 around a 5 mile straight in on the RNAV 04 approach. Racine.
And that must be the
That's the other person.
Yeah, they said RNAV.
Yeah, they
obviously figured it out.
They did figure it out.
That's funny.
There's that fuel layer.
What?
The fuel layer.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I see that now.
Yep.
Racine traffic, Archer 42 Hotel, clear all runways to the south ramp via Bravo Alpha Charlie Racine. Cool.